This video is sponsored by Lull. Hey everyone, today I am showing you my morning cleaning routine. I do this stuff pretty much every single morning, but first I have to have myself a cup of coffee. Nothing gets done till I have my first cup of coffee. I don't do my deepest cleaning in the morning. I do that at night when Emerson is already in bed and I kind of have more time for it. But I do like to start off my morning just kind of tidying up the house, getting it neat so that we can, just mess it up again throughout the day. Then I move into the bedroom. This is where I start, and that's because we don't go into our bedroom that often, and as a result, it's the place that I kind of forget to neaten up until the end of the night, and we come into our bedroom to go to bed and just kind of relax a little bit, and it is a huge mess. So I start my day by cleaning up this space. That way, if I don't ever enter this room again, at least at night, it will be clean. So we live in an apartment, and getting a queen mattress up the stairs and into our bedroom is a nightmare. I have had my mattress all through college and even before Andrew and I got married, so we really needed a new mattress. And we fell in love with the idea of conveniently getting our mattress delivered to our door, compactly packaged in a relatively small box. And that is why we chose Lull. Plus, we got a luxury mattress for under $1,000. Unboxing the mattress is super easy and could totally be done by one person. Andrew was very excited about this mattress, so he wanted to be involved. And Emmi also needs to be in the middle of all the things. Once unboxed, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your Lull to fully expand, although it pretty much expands most of the way immediately. And you can actually hear the mattress expanding. It was pretty cool. The mattress height is 10 inches, which is average, and you can set it up on the floor, on a platform bed, or on a box spring, which is what we did. My favorite thing is how pretty the Lull is. It's definitely not your typical fuddy-duddy looking mattress. It's sleek and trendy looking, which I love. We sleep in the same bed, obviously, but we wake each other up often when we turn over. Memory foam is very forgiving, and I don't wake up in the middle of the night anymore since we've been using it. Our previous mattress was very soft, and we felt like we sunk into the mattress a lot. We kind of rolled into each other. But as a result, I often woke up feeling stiffness in my neck. This Lull is on the firm side, which honestly took some getting used to, but we feel so much better after sleeping on it. The mattress supports your body where it needs support and indents for the parts of your body that stick out a little bit, like your hips and your shoulders. Lull provides free shipping and will give you a 100-night trial. So if you decide to go with a Lull and try it, but for some reason decide it's not the mattress for you, Lull offers free returns too, which is so nice. So if you want to check out Lull for yourself, I will leave a link below and also a discount code. After the bedroom, I move into the bathroom and just tidy up. I do most of my heavy-duty cleaning at night after Emmi has gone to bed. That's just the best time for me to get some cleaning done without any distractions or interruptions. So I am just doing a quick wipe down and tidy up in pretty much the whole house. It's not necessarily going to be too dusty or dirty, but I have found that if you maintain your cleaning and you stay on top of it, then your work when you do your heavy duty cleaning is so much lighter. Moving into the kitchen, somehow this area of my house is like the hub for all the stuff. Somehow it ends up just being so cluttered all the time, and I feel like 5 times a day I'm cleaning off the countertops and doing the dishes. But I think it's because this is like our kitchen, our eating area, and it also is kind of our desk at the moment. That is why our hideous computers are on our kitchen countertops. I really hate it, but we are still kind of figuring out a system for our desks. We don't have a whole lot of room, but we will figure it out because it's really an eyesore. I'm trying something new. This is what one of y'all had suggested for me to try, is unloading the dishwasher onto the counters first and then putting everything away. I had to wipe down the counters because these counters stay filthy and I felt terrible about putting clean dishes on a dirty counter. So I did that first, and then I just kind of categorized everything by how it's gonna go into the cupboards. I'm also being super careful about not making noise because Emerson is asleep, and the last thing I wanted to do was wake her up. Honestly, this was a great method. It did save me some time. I didn't walk back and forth between the dishwasher and the cupboards nearly as often. So if you guys would like to try this tip, I highly recommend it. Unload your dishwasher first and then carry stacks of things that are categorized by how they go back into the cupboards. Saves you a few trips.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. It's when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we're both enough. And she'll We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. Walking down the street the other day, trying to distract myself, but then I see your face. So wait, that's someone else. So trying to play it coy, trying to make it disappear. But just like the battle of Troy, there's nothing subtle here. In your room there's a king size space, bigger than it used to be. If you want you can rent that place, call me an amenity. Even if it's in my dreams.
Then I am moving on into the living room. As you see, it is chaos. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that this is pretty much what my house looks like all the time. I am brutally honest about the state of my house on Instagram. Most of Emmi's toys are kept in her room. She has a few that she likes to keep out in the living room to play with, so these just stay in the corner here. Now I'm moving on to the last room of the house, which is Emmi's room. Again, stays in a pretty disastrous state most of the time, but that's because we kind of let Emmi come in here, pull out her toys, and play with them, and you know, I'll just clean it up when I need to. She also had some laundry that needed to be put away, so I will do that at this time as well. I've been getting a lot of requests on how I fold my clothes and organize my dressers, so be on the lookout for that here in the near future, because I would love to do that soon. I have a system that works really, really well for us. But as you'll see, not all of my drawers have been organized with this method, so I will do probably an organize with me and then finish up my dressers. I recently did a organize and declutter of the kids' toys, and I showed you how I organized Emmi's closet. So I will leave that link in the cards up above and also in the description box if you are interested in seeing that video.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. It's fine, racing all these broken dreams tonight.
And then to finish up my morning cleaning routine, I always like to start a load of laundry. You gotta stay on top of your laundry or it will become a beast. So I like to do my laundry early in the morning when I still have the energy and the time to get it all dried and folded and put away. Thank you, Lull, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please show me by giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.